Hi guys, and let's look at this Roseselsa Ceramics X True Wireless Earbuds. It has lightning latency reduction and equal loudness contour. As you can see there at the side of the box, we have the Roseselsa logo. Now the features include 55 decibels ANC, 10 hours to 50 hours playtime, 10mm carbon-based ceramic diaphragm, 55 millisecond low latency wind noise dampening, hi-fi master EQ, and IPX5 water resistant. And now let's take a look at what's inside the box for the unboxing. So we have here the extra ear tips. It has a compartment for it. And then of course the USB-C charging cord, USB-C, USB-A, and our trusted user manual. Alright, and the product itself. So here is the Roseselsa Ceramics X Earbuds. It has a glossy case with a shiny finish, regular size, and of course portable grip. So we have there the logo and the LED indicator, the charging port, and the reset button at the back, and that's it. So let's try and open this up and take a look at the buds. So as this is new, let's remove that protective coating right there. So as you can see, we have there the ceramics text and the Roseselsa logo at the buds. This is touch controls, by the way, and it is normal size with a regular fit, but you can change the ear tips. We have extra there. High quality and balanced sound, and of course this is IPX water resistant. It's also easy pairing. It features a game mode and an active noise control mode. So that's it. This is the Roseselsa Ceramics X earbuds. What do you think? Is there anything that you want to know? Please comment on the comment section. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe. This is Rai. Thanks for being here. This is the Roseselsa Ceramics X. See you on the next video. Bye guys.